Have you ever felt like you don't belong anywhere? Like no matter where you go, people don't really understand you. You can sit in a room full of people and still feel completely alone. And the worst part, you don't even know why. So you start thinking, maybe something is wrong with me. But what if that feeling is actually proof that something is right? Most people think intelligence is obvious, good grades, fast answers, high IQ scores. But real intelligence is invisible. It's in the way you think, the way you question things, the way your mind never stops. You don't just accept reality, you analyze it, you break it down, you see patterns others ignore. And that's where the problem begins. Because the moment you start seeing deeper, you start separating from everyone else. Not physically, mentally. Connection is built on similarity, same interests, same thinking, same emotional level, but your brain doesn't operate on the same level. While others talk about surface level things, your mind is somewhere else, thinking about life, meaning, future, systems. So conversations start feeling empty, forced, pointless. You try to engage, but something inside you disconnects. Not because you don't care, but because your mind is wired differently. And slowly, you start pulling back. Awareness sounds like a gift, but it comes with a cost. You notice things others don't. Fake behavior, hidden intentions, insecurity behind confidence. You can read people, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. So you stop trusting easily. You stop opening up, because you already know how most interactions will end. And that creates distance. Not because you want it, but because you see too much. Your mind doesn't rest. It replays conversations, analyzes every detail, questions every decision. What did that mean? Why did they say that? This constant thinking creates noise, and that noise isolates you. Because while others move on quickly, you're still stuck inside your own head. Most people don't think deeply. They react, they follow, they repeat. So when you try to explain what you feel, they don't get it. They say, "You're overthinking. Just relax." But for you, it is that deep. And when people keep dismissing your thoughts, you stop sharing them. You go silent. Not because you have nothing to say, but because no one is listening at your level. At some point, you start questioning yourself. Why am I like this? Why can't I just be normal? You try to fit in. You simplify yourself. You hide your thoughts, but it feels fake because it's not who you are. And slowly, you realize something. You were never meant to fit in. Feeling alone doesn't always mean you're broken. Sometimes, it means you're ahead. Mentally, emotionally, psychologically. The gap between you and others feels like isolation, but it's actually distance in awareness. You're not alone because no one wants you. You're alone because very few people see the world the way you do. And that's not your weakness. That's your reality. The question is, will you keep trying to fit in? Or will you finally accept who you really are?